Okay, I got the innermost winding of the primary black tape there, insulated, and I got a little notch there now for my secondary wire to exit out. This is it here. I got it well insulated now too. 2 layers of shrink tubing on there plus black tape. Let's see if I can get underneath here. Ooh. There's so hopefully that solves their problems. Beautiful day out, 85 degrees. I got my lab open up there, but problem is on the opposite wall I don't have a window, so there's no real cross ventilation. I got a fan going, it only helps so much. There is 109 degrees in here right now, Fahrenheit. Woo! I don't know how much I can handle it, how much longer. Alright guys, we're gonna set this up and see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens. Three, 2, 1. Buzz. 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 Off. On. Off. Off, on, off. Ah. What the heck is going on? I can't find anything on the internet of troubleshooting this. What do I search? System only works for a few seconds? Oh. Alright guys, back to the drawing board. I'm gonna have to think about this. Why does it only run for 1 or 2 seconds? I need some experienced coilers out there to help. Maybe I'll have to hang out on one of the forums. Ooh. It's 111 degrees in my lab. Alright, I have to think about this, guys. Okay, so it's been another week has gone by here of experimenting and testing here. First of all, I want to thank you, Dorset Mushroom Hunter, for finding me that Java TC software. That was exactly what I was looking for. I found it on my computer now. I love that software. It allows me to input many things: the temperature of the room, how much space I got it, between the walls, how high it is off the floor, how high my primary is elevated, the coupling coefficient between the 2 coils. Beautiful software. I love it. Anyhow, I played around with that all day long, entered all my dimensions and values in there as close as I could. It's even got an auto tune on there where it'll change some values for me. And anyhow, so mainly I've been tapping my primary. Thank you guys, Mushroom Dorset Hunter. Thank a few people out there, Energy Fabricator, a lot of help and suggestions. Thank you, just people follow me and watching me, Steven, Mr. F. Miller, Hitman, Notoriety. Thank you everybody, man. It means a lot to me. And anyhow, I've been fooling around with this all week here, moving the bulb in and out closer, adjusting the tap, see which I get the longest spark from. And the main problem is the system only wants to keep running for 1 to 3 seconds. And after running that Java TC, it tells me that I need to be tapped in around 7.7 windings. And all week before running that software, I've been experimenting mainly between 9 and 12. So now I tap around 7.7, and all of a sudden the system's running for like 8 seconds long. And I'm like, you know, this is excellent. So I got a little panicky. I turned it off after 8 seconds. Yeah, I tapped just about 12 inches, about 7.9 windings. I try it again. I run the system for like 15 seconds. I'm like, this is beautiful. I got a very bright spark off my main gap. I might be able to widen that now too. So your gaps start acting differently too as you start finding the proper spot in here. But now that the system is running and it's not shorting out after only 2 seconds, now I can't see any discharges from the toroid. So it's hard to see too during the day. It's so white in here. Yeah, it's not easy to see these little thin sparks sometimes. Seemed like when I had it tapped out farther, I would get a discharge, but the system, like I said, only worked 1 or 2 seconds. Now it's running continuously nice, sparking good, but now I don't see anything up here. So I feel like I'm getting very close now. I'm gonna keep inching it around at plus or minus 1 turn from what the software told me, and we'll see what kind of results we get now. And like I said, I'm gonna have to separate my main gap, and I even probably have to close my safety gap a little bit. So hopefully that means I'm getting closer to this sweet spot now that the system is running, at least without shorting out, and there's no more sparking over here. I think that too is due to being too far off tune, that you get more arcing there. So I might even be able to remove this black tape now. Yeah, it was cool. According to the software, the coupling coefficient I have right now with this diameter and this height elevated is almost perfect. I could be like maybe 1 inch higher. So okay guys, I'm rambling on a little bit right now. I'm probably going to end this video here because it's been 1 week, so I'll let you guys get this posted and uploaded to give everybody an update. And hopefully the very next video after this one, I hope you're going to see some nice streamers going here. And yeah, I'm going to have lots more videos of the ooh and the ah, the sparking and arcs and all that stuff. So alright guys, till next time, thank you for watching, and stay tuned. Alright, let me just give you a quick shot of where we're at right now. Better. Got to close up my safety gaps a little bit, but still no long streamers at the top, at least what I could see. But just like I said, the main gaps are so bright right now, I'm sure I could open them up, and that should also affect the length of our streamers off the top. So alright guys, till next time.